In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to insert video in Figma. Convert your videos to GIFs. First, head over to the Figma website and open the design you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the specific page or frame where you want the video to appear. Having your layout in place helps you position the video exactly where it needs to go in your mock-up or prototype. With your design open, look for the shape tools in the toolbar. Select the rectangle and draw a box where you want the video to live. Think of this rectangle as a placeholder or container for your media. It defines the exact size and position, which keeps your layout clean and consistent with the rest of your design. Now, with the rectangle selected, go to the Fill options and choose the Image Video option. This is where you'll locate the file on your computer. Pick the video you want to insert. Common formats like MP4 work well, and confirm your selection. Figma will place the video inside the rectangle you created. If you're using a GIF instead of a video, you can select it the same way, and it will play automatically when the design is previewed. Once the file is inserted, feel free to adjust the size. Drag the corner handles to scale up or down, and keep the proportions balanced as you resize so your video doesn't appear stretched. Use Figma's smart guides to align the video neatly with nearby elements. If it helps your layout, you can also reposition the rectangle to fine-tune spacing and visual rhythm. The goal is to integrate the media so it feels like a natural part of your interface, not an afterthought. A few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Shorter clips and smaller file sizes tend to load faster and perform better in prototypes. If you need a looping effect, GFs can be a good fit for subtle motion and micro interactions, and you can insert them through the same image video option. Just prepare the GIF ahead of time with your preferred converter so it's ready to drop in. And that's it. You opened Figma, opened your design, used the shape tool to add a rectangle, selected the image video option to locate your file, and adjusted the size to fit perfectly. Simple, clean, and effective. If this helped, keep practicing with different clip sizes and placements to develop an eye for smooth, polished motion in your designs.